how to add overlays for Kick on OBS Studio. Hello guys and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how you will be able to add some overlays for your Kick streaming. Now, the first thing you're going to make sure is that you're connected with OBS. So go to your creator content or creator dashboard and click on settings and get your stream key from this section over here. After that, you're going to have to connect it with your OBS. You're going to click on settings over here and wait for the pop-up to appear. Click on stream and you're going to have to go to custom and then add your stream key and server over here. Then after making sure that your OBS is connected to Kick, you're then going to go to this website over here. As you can see, it is owned.pro over here. Then this is where you will be able to download overlays for OBS. And then after that, you will be able to get some overlays that you could use for your Kick streaming. As you can see here, I have owned pro over here. Then I will be able to use my overlays in this section. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.